everyone understands that getting into tech can be extremely annoying and frustrating, and you are probably thinking that, oh, it's only for the people who know how to code. I have received a lot of requests from people who tell me, how can I get into tech? What do I need to do to get into tech? I am here to tell you that you don't need to have all this scary coding experience or have experience in front end or back end to be able to get into tech. In this video, I am going to be sharing 5 free certifications that employers are actually looking for that would absolutely get you hired in the tech industry. And if this is the first time you are watching my video, my name is Chiamaka, and on my channel we talk everything about money, the mindset you should have, how to make more money, how to invest more, manage your money so that you will have a lot more to invest. And I would like for you to also watch till the end of this video because it is going to be extremely helpful to you the way it's been helpful to me. There are so many certifications out there that we don't even know which ones to take or which certifications to write. And I'm going to drop the link to all this list on my description. Number 5 on the list is Google IT Support Certificate. Alright, so it is sponsored by Google and it is for people who don't really have as much experience. This would help them get into the world of tech. And here it says, get on the fast track to a career in IT. In this certificate, you will learn in-demand skills and get AI training from Google experts. No degree or experience required at no cost. And the experience that you need to have to enroll in this program is at a beginner level. You are going to gain skills in cybersecurity, wireless security, and all of that. And at the end of the day, you are going to be issued a certificate. All these courses are all for free, so you don't have to pay anything to obtain this certificate. Number 4 on my list is called the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, and on this program it prepares you for a career in data science, builds job ready skills, and must have AI skills. All right, and everyone now knows that AI is now in demand, so you need to be very intentional to have this certificate that would actually get you hired. It is also for people who don't have any experience in tech. You'll be able to master the most up-to-date practical skills for data sciences, learn the tools, languages, apply your new skill to the real world project, and build your own portfolio. Heading up to number 3, we have Hubspot Inbound Marketing Certification. It's completely free. It's a free certification course, and it will teach you how to attract customers through valuable content and tailored experience. What you are going to learn is how to create content that educates and nurtures leads. You will definitely have your certificate. All right, so if you want to learn the art of content creation, how to know your customer, digital marketing, and trust me, all these are still under tech. And here it says it's free, and it is also a globally recognized certification. Number 2 on the list is Google Project Management professional. This is a professional project management certificate for beginners who want to fast track their experience in project management. In this program, you will learn in-demand skills and get AI training from Google experts. No degree or experience required. What you are going to learn is how to understanding of the practices and skills of project management, how to plan end to end of a project life cycle, from the start to the finish. Foundations of agile project management, foundations of project management, project initiation, project planning, project execution, agile project management, and applying project management in the real world. So all these and a lot more are what are going to be taught to you, which leads us to the final certificate that I advise everyone who wants to get into tech but don't know where to start. This one is the one I'm personally doing. Alright, and I've had tons of certifications from this platform, and it's called LinkedIn Learning. And on this LinkedIn Learning, the one that we are going to focus on is how to become a project manager. This is completely free, and you are definitely going to be issued a certificate at the end of the program. All right, so what you are going to learn is the project management foundations, the ethics, the requirements, schedules, budgets, teams, and I want you to understand that to be a successful project manager, you need to first know how to communicate with your team and your stakeholders. If you don't know anything else in project management, I want you to know this one. Learn how to communicate with your teams and your stakeholders, because those are the people you are going to constantly be interacting with as you are building your experience in project management. And at the end of the program, you are going to earn a certificate of completion. All these are what would get you into the door of tech. You don't need to spend so much on boot camps in order for you to know how to start as a beginner in tech. If this video was really helpful to you, I want you to subscribe to my channel, and if you really enjoyed it, please hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.